Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by stopping the Windows Update service so the installer can't run. This prevents immediate restarts. Open services using Windows plus R, type services, MSC, and press Enter. Find Windows Update in the list. Once located, right-click and choose Stop. Then change startup type to manual or disabled so updates don't automatically restart after a reboot. Once done, make sure to leave services open and proceed to the next step to block scheduled tasks and pending installer files. Next, you remove pending update data and scheduled triggers so the update won't resume. Stop background intelligent transfer service, bits, the same way you stopped Windows Update. This halts downloads. Then navigate to C/Windows/software distribution/download and delete the contents to clear cached installers. This frees space and prevents auto-install. Open Task Scheduler. Review Microsoft/Windows/Update Orchestrator and related tasks, and disable any that trigger. To finish, put a longer-term block in place and verify the change. If you have Windows Pro, use Group Policy to configure automatic updates to disabled. For Home, set the equivalent registry key to pause updates. Restart your PC and confirm services still show manual or disabled for Windows Update and bits. If something goes wrong, re-enable the services, reboot, and run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It helps reset corrupted components, and then you can retry a controlled update when ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.